Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. Short story number 1: The Golden Egg. Once upon a time, a farmer had a goose that laid one golden egg every day. The egg provided enough money for the farmer and his wife to support their daily needs. The farmer and his wife continued to be happy for a long time. But one day the farmer thought, why should we take just one egg a day? Why can't we take them all at once and make a lot of money? The farmer told his wife his idea, and she foolishly agreed. Then, the next day, as the goose laid its golden egg, the farmer was quick with the sharp knife. He killed the goose and cut its stomach open, hoping to find all its golden eggs. But as he opened the stomach, he only found guts and blood. The farmer quickly realized his foolish mistake and proceeded to cry over his lost resource. As the days went on, the farmer and his wife became poorer and poorer because of their foolishness. The moral: never act before you think. Thank you friends for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and bye for now.